Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic AviCAD tutorial how to turn off viewport frame. So for example, you can draw rectangle and then go to the layered one and I will delete this default viewport. Now you can create new viewport by pressing MV, press enter and I will create in here. So we have this viewport with the rectangle as the object. Now, if you want to turn off these viewport frames, we can use the layer tools. You can tap layer, press enter, add new layer, and I will set the names into lock or hide. After it, you can click these icons to hide this layer, and then you can close. Now you can select the viewport, go to properties, and set layer into hide. So it will be automatically hide viewport frame. Okay, that's it for a basic AviCAD tutorial how to turn off viewport frame.